If you have a G Suite account, then what you can also do is record your meetings for future references. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go around over here onto more options, and then here you have an option to record the meeting. So you have this in only if you have a G Suite account. That is an organization based Google account which can use to record meetings. So let me just click on record meeting, and it says ask for consent. So once you accept this out, there's consent is sent to all other people who are there in the meeting, and they'll have to accept it for you to start recording meeting. So now the meeting has been recorded, and even the messages right here, they will be recorded out as a separate text file. So you can go over here on to more options, let's say for example, and then do everything else. So you can conduct the meeting just like that. So just click on present now, and I'm just going to go around onto the, let's say a window. I'm just going to share around a Word document just like this, and it'll be presented just like that. Okay, so it's presenting out, and you can see that I have another presentation screen going on. So all of the things that are happening in the meeting itself are being recorded. So everything I do, everything I say, those are being recorded. And once I stop the recording, it'll be emailed back to me, or it'll be saved onto my Google Drive in Google Meets folder. So I'm just going to go around onto the more option and stop the recording. I can stop the recording, or even if I were to end the call, the meeting will be stopped. So if there's other participants, if they continue to talk, then it will continue to be recorded. But if that will be stopped, then it'll be just stopped out just like that. So you have to wait for a while. It might take around 15 or even 1 hour or 2 hours if the meeting is quite long for Google Drive to process the recording and send it back to your email. So on your inbox, you'll be able to see the recordings. And if you check your inbox, this is how you'll get it in about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, even 1 hour, like I said, if the meeting recording is long. So you can just open this in Drive, or you can see it from right here. So you can go on and open this attachment just like this. And what happens is that you have all the recorded messages right here. And if you were to go right here, you'll be able to see this. So it takes some time for Google Drive to process it out. Once it processes it out, what you can do is just view it directly, or you can download the file as well. Another thing that you can do is you can share this with other members. So you can simply forward this mail, or you can go over here, and then what you can do is you can go around and open this out. So you can just go on to the Drive and then share this out as well. So once you click on Open Drive, it opens the same file in Drive as well. So over here, once I click on Open Drive, you can see that the player is there as well, which you can directly play out just like in a YouTube player, just like this. So everything, the screen share, let me just go forward a bit right over here until I share the screen. So if I were to go here, you can see the screen sharing, everything is there. So if I want to share it with other members, I can simply go over here and hit share, and I can just share it out with other people, just like I would share any other files, and they'll be able to access it out. So I can just go over here and share it with other people as I like, just like this, and change the restriction as well. So that is how you can record and share meetings with other people using a G Suite account. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.